y'all doing? You're welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. God bless you. I started this meal already, then I said, why don't I show you guys? You know, I have different methods and ways that I cook my peas, my beans, but this is one of my favorite methods, and I'm not sure if anyone cooks their beans like this, so I decided to show you guys. Okay, I'll be making use of the black-eyed peas. It's called peas, but for some reason my people call it beans. All right, so the black-eyed peas. In the pot I only have the peas, the beans, beans. In the pot I have the peas. I'm gonna call it peas because it's called peas, okay? But then again, it's beans. No salt, nothing, just water and the peas. Then I brought that to a boil, like I let it cook for just a little bit, and I'll be making use of 1.5 onion. I have 1 white onion and half of the red onion, garlic and ginger, and I just went ahead to blend all of that together and pour that on the beans and rinse out the plate. Pour in all water, just a little bit of all water, because you don't want your beans to be soggy and too soft. Well, some like their beans very soft or their peas very soft, but I don't. So just pour in a little bit of water and stir that together, cover it back up and let that cook for another 10 minutes. On the side, go ahead and grab a pot, pour in your palm oil and let it heat up for, you know, just a little bit. Grab another onion and dice the onion. Once the oil is heated up, go ahead and pour in the onion. Then pour in your seasoning, your salt, the red and the black pepper. So pour that in. Are you team add seasoning or no team add seasoning? And pour that in and let that fry. Okay, let it fry, let it fry, let it fry. And once it's fried, let me show you. You see that? Not burnt, but you know, like fried. Once the onion has infused into the oil very well, as you can see, then pour it on your beans. Lovely. This is another good method of cooking your beans or your peas. Like, it will give it a different taste. Just cook it according to the softness that you want it to be, okay? And at this time it is done. Stir it together and voila, time to serve. Hi lovelies, do you all love beans? Do you love beans or do you love peas? How often do you eat it? I know that some people don't like beans at all, but it's very healthy. How often do you incorporate beans in your meal? So you can have this with a cup of tea, some green tea, squeezing a quarter of lemon, then put in the lemon and mix that together. No honey, no sugar, nothing at all, just like that. And then, you know, you eat it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.